Original judgment dictation, legal dictation at the speed of 80 to 90 words per minute. Start. The petitioners present through learned counsel Miss Rupa Dhakal. Stop. At the very outset, learned counsel seeks the leave of this court to withdraw the concerned petition application. Stop. According to her, the same is not maintainable before this court. Stop. Heard, considered, permission granted, matter stands withdrawn. Petitioners present with learned counsel Shri Sonam Bhutia through video conferencing. None present to object to the concerned petitioner application for succession certificate, though notice was issued to the general public. Report on the same has returned. Stop. The concerned processor of server is also present through video conferencing. Stop. He has been examined under oath. Stop. On going through his statement, it is noted that the concerned notice was duly published. Stop. No one has came forward to object to the above petition application for succession certificate despite the same. Stop. The petitioners have also been examined under oath. Learned counsel has also been heard. Stop. On going through the statements of the petitioners and the various documents filed in the matter, I find them entitled to the succession certificate in respect of the concerned debts. Stop. Succession certificate issued accordingly. As requested, the succession certificate has been issued in the name of the petitioner number 1, who would be receiving the concerned debts on behalf of the petitioners. Stop. Matter is closed. Copy of this order and the succession certificate be given to the petitioners forthwith. Petitioner is present in person. Respondent is also present. Today is the date fixed for settlement. Both the parties jointly submitted that no settlement could be arrived between them despite of pre-conciliation by this bench. Stop. Hence, they prayed that the matter be sent back to the learned referral court. Stop. In view of the above situation, it is futile, as there is no chance of any settlement between the parties in the instant matter during the National Lok Adalat sitting fixed today. Stop. Therefore, the case file is returned back to the learned referral along with a copy of this order court for further order. Stop. This Lok Adalat matter is disposed of accordingly. Next. Petitioner present through learned counsel Ms. Priyanka Chhetri. Learned Special Public Prosecutor Shri N.P. Sharma present for the state. Date is fixed for hearing. Learned counsel Ms. Priyanka Chhetri submits that the mobile phone Samsung Duos bearing IMEI number 358 312 06 432 555 and 358 313 06 32 55553 with Airtel and Vodafone SIM and 4 GB memory card along with cash of rupees 3680 were seized on 24/11/2017 in connection with Sardar PS filed case number 294-2017 dated 25/11/2017 under sections 22-27A of the NDPS Act 1985. Stop. Next. Learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that after the case was registered before this court as ST NDPS case number 1 of 2018, State versus Samir Khatti, it was heard on charge on 3/10/2018, and during such hearing the accused was granted immunity on reformative grounds, thereby discharging him from the case. Stop. Since the above case was decided and disposed of wide the above order and are no longer required, it is prayed that the seized articles mentioned earlier be released to the petitioner. Stop. Next. Learned Special Public Prosecutor for the state has no objection to the above application, as the case has already disposed of and articles are no longer required to be detained. Stop. Heard parties considered their submissions. In view of the no objection by learned Special Public Prosecutor and taking into consideration that the case has already been disposed of and also the period of appeal is over, I find no reason to keep the said articles detained any longer. Stop. For the reasons mentioned above, the mobile phone and the amount of rupees 3680 be released forthwith to the petitioner, subject to furnishing of affidavit by the petitioner regarding ownership of the said articles. Criminal Miscellaneous Case NDPS. Stop.